Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Huawei Watch Fit to a Samsung phone. First, make sure your Huawei Watch Fit has at least 20% battery life. Next, enable Bluetooth on your Samsung phone through its settings menu. It's also important to keep both your watch and phone within a close range, ideally within 1 meter, to ensure a stable connection during the initial setup. This preparation will make the pairing process much smoother. The next crucial step is to install the correct application. Head over to the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone and search for Huawei Health. Download and install this app. You might also be prompted to install Huawei Mobile Services. Please do so, as it's essential for the app's functionality. Remember to grant all requested permissions to the Huawei Health app. This ensures it can properly communicate with your watch and access necessary phone features. With the app installed, open Huawei Health on your Samsung phone. Navigate to the Devices tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen, and tap on Add Device. The app will then scan for nearby Huawei devices. Select your Huawei Watch Fit from the list that appears. A pairing request will pop up on both your watch and phone. Confirm it on both devices to finalize the connection. You should see a confirmation message once successfully paired. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A simple restart of both your Huawei Watch Fit and Samsung phone can often resolve connection problems. Also, ensure the Huawei Health app is allowed to run in the background and isn't restricted by battery optimization settings. Regularly updating both the app and your watch's firmware is vital for optimal performance and stability. If all else fails, try unpairing the devices and repeating the connection process from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.